Have you ever stopped to ponder the intricate mechanics of our world? What mechanism causes an apple to plummet from a tree, or what algorithms allow a computer game to function? Today, we pull back the curtain on STEM, the driving force behind these marvels. Welcome, pioneers, to the realm of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, more commonly known as STEM. It is the cornerstone of the world we know, from the humble process of boiling water to the sophisticated operations of a smartphone. But don't let the enormity of it all daunt you. STEM is not merely about textbooks and lab coats, it's about exploration, inquisitiveness, and enjoyment. Picture yourself as more than an observer, but a scientist, an aspiring engineer, a potential tech savant. You're on the cusp of an exhilarating exploration, a journey teeming with discovery and thrill. The pinnacle of it all? You gain knowledge through practice, through hands-on experiences, and through learning from your errors, because that's where true understanding originates. Are you prepared to embark on this fascinating voyage of discovery? Let's delve into our first endeavor, the magic balloon. Have you ever seen a balloon inflate without anyone blowing into it? Sounds like magic, doesn't it? But it's not magic, it's science. Welcome to our second adventure in STEM for little explorers. Today, we're going to discover a fantastic experiment with a balloon, a bottle, and two simple kitchen ingredients: baking soda and vinegar. This activity is not only fun, it's a great way to introduce your little ones to the exciting world of chemical reactions. So, what's the trick? First, we place some baking soda into a balloon, then we pour vinegar into a bottle. Now, here comes the fun part. Carefully, we attach the balloon to the top of the bottle without letting the baking soda fall into the vinegar just yet. Ready for the magic? Let the baking soda fall into the vinegar and watch as the balloon starts to inflate. But why does this happen? It's all down to a simple chemical reaction. When baking soda, which is a base, mixes with vinegar and acid, they react to form carbon dioxide, a gas. This gas is what causes the balloon to inflate. The gas molecules move quickly and spread out, trying to fill whatever space they can find. In this case, that space is our balloon. As more and more gas is produced, the balloon inflates even more. But don't just take my word for it. Try it out for yourself. See the wonder in your little one's eyes as they watch the balloon inflate all on its own. It's a great way to learn about the world around us and how different substances react together. Remember, safety first. Always supervise your children during these experiments. Some can get a bit messy, but that's all part of the fun. And there you have it, a balloon that inflates all by itself. Not magic, but science. Now, are you ready for our next adventure? Do you like playing games on a computer or tablet? Did you know that you can create your own game? Yes, with coding. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. Now let's step into the world of coding, but we're going to make it super fun by using colors. Imagine this scenario. We have different colored blocks, and each color represents a different action. Let's say red means stop, green means go, and blue means jump. These are just like the instructions or commands in a code. Just think of these blocks as the building blocks of a game. Just like how you arrange blocks to build a tower or a house, you can arrange these colored blocks to create a sequence of actions for a game. This is the very essence of coding. Let's start with something simple. If we want our game character to go, stop, then jump, how would we arrange our blocks? First, we'd place a green block for go, then a red block for stop, and finally, a blue block for jump. There you have it, you've just created a code. Now, what if we want our character to jump twice? Easy. We just add two blue blocks at the end. So the arrangement would be green, red, blue, blue. That's go, stop, jump, jump. You see, coding can be as straightforward as playing with blocks. You're just giving instructions in a language the computer understands. And the best part is, you can rearrange the blocks in any order you want to create different actions. So go ahead and experiment, mix and match the blocks, and see what exciting sequences you can create. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about exploring, learning, and most importantly, having fun. And voila! You just created your first code. See, coding is just like playing with building blocks, but instead of building towers, you're building instructions for a game. Wow, what an adventure we had today. We embarked on a journey of discovery, exploring the magic balloon, where a simple chemical reaction brought science to life. Then we dived into the vibrant world of coding with colors, introducing our little explorers to the fundamentals of coding. Remember, every day brings a new opportunity for a STEM adventure. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep learning. Until next time, happy STEMming!